Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. Today we will talk about how to connect mechanical keyboard to laptop. Let's start. First of all, for wired connections, plug the keyboard USB cable into an available USB port on your laptop. The laptop should automatically recognize the keyboard. For wireless connection, in Bluetooth keyboards, make sure your laptop has Bluetooth capabilities. Turn on the keyboard and set it to pairing mode. On your laptop, navigate to Bluetooth settings and select the keyboard to pair. For RF wireless keyboards, insert the provided USB receiver into a USB port on your laptop. Power on the keyboard, it should connect automatically. However, you must note that using an external keyboard will not disable your laptop built-in keyboard. Both can function simultaneously. That's it guys. Thank you.